Hello, this is Valerie at My Scrap Chicken. Today I'm putting together the Fall Pumpkin Boxcard. It's a box card that folds flat for mailing and then pops open to be displayed. And so we'll get started with the background, and the very back layer is the pumpkin. And so we'll put on the back layers. Put that on. And there's a slight orange outline around everything. And then we'll put on the pumpkin layers. And I line it up like that. And then as soon as I put the backing down, then I'm going to add the stem of the pumpkin. That's going to go behind these other two layers. So I want to get that on first. And then we'll add the other two layers of pumpkin. Oops, wrong side. So now that that's on, I'm going to add the leaf. That's going to go up here. I'll just kind of place it right about there. Okay, so the back layer is ready to go, and these tabs fold forward. And then these are the other three layers. This, let's see, this is the very front of the box. And then this is the layer that's going to go behind, and then this one goes behind these two. So I've already got the panels on this one. We'll just start adding the panels. Okay, and then once the panels are on, we will add the layers that go on top of these. And on the back one, we're going to use two of the sunflowers, a large one and a smaller one. And it can be a little tricky lining up the petals because they're not uniform petals. Oh, there we go. And that lines up. And then we'll do one of these. Same thing here. I've got to keep turning this until I make sure I've got the right. I usually do this beforehand, but there we go. Okay, and then the centers of the sunflowers. looks like I'm missing 2 centers. I'm going to have to grab those before I start the other layers. Okay, we've got those. So we're done with the very, which layer is that? That's the very back insert. And then we're going to do the front insert. And this is the one with a crow. And on the crow, he has his eyes cut out. And I provided a little white dot that I'm just going to glue that to the back. I figured that's easier than trying to place a itty bitty tiny eyeball right there. I saw one lady in the group, she changed his eyeball to a little cute little eyelashes. It was really cute. People in the group have some great ideas. Okay, so we're going to put this layer on first. Line that up. Then we'll add his wing. Okay, and then we'll add the little beak. I like to use my tweezers for these tiny little pieces. Okay, so that's lined up. Okay, I'm going to add the sunflower. That's going to go like that. Add the centers. Okay, so we have the back insert and the front insert done, and now we're going to do the very front of the box. And this one is going to have the sentiment on it. So these are the sentiment layers. I'm going to move that up so you can see. And what I've done is I've included 4 sentiments. People in the group gave me some ideas for things to add to it. So we have Happy Fall Ya All, oh my gourd, fall is in the air, and it's pumpkin spice time. And so the one I'm going to use is the Happy Fall Y'all. These are also, this is the page that is on the last page of the PDF that you get in the file. So you can print this out and hand cut it if you want. And there's also PNGs so that you can do the print and cut option in your cutting software if you like. So I'm going to put that on there and center that on the box. Now I want to make sure it's not below the bottom of the box there. Oh, you know what? I forgot to add the leaves. I need to add the leaves to these other sunflowers. Yeah, this is the how-to video. How to mess up. Okay. So I just put and you do it on the front side of the leaf. And just kind of place it somewhere behind. I'm sorry about that. Okay, that's better. And now we're going to do the same here. I'm going to put, I think I'll put the layers on first for the sunflower before I add it. Okay, and then I'm going to add this to the back. And this one you can, decide where you want to arrange it. Okay, so now we have all the layers done. And now we're just going to put the layers together. And so the first thing I'm going to do is take the backing, and this is the back insert. And so I'm going to, you can see the tabs are folded like this. I'm going to put glue on that side of the tab. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it up right there. I'm going to line this insert up along the bottom, and then just fold this side of the box over. Give that a second to dry. And then I'm going to fold this down, because what I want to do, wait a minute, excuse me, I'm going to fold that open when that's dry. Then I'm going to put glue on this tab. You can see, and then fold this down. Give that a minute to dry. Okay, and now we're going to do the front insert. And there's 2 tabs here. So these tabs are going to fold up like that. And so we've got the box laying flat. And again, I'm going to put glue on the back side of this one. I'm going to line it up right on the edge there. And I'm going to lay it down. And you can almost kind of push this insert over to the edge. So, and then I'm going to do the same on this side. Just fold everything over. Okay. That glue goes on the back. It gets pushed down, and this is going to be up against it. There we go. Okay, so now we're also going to put the front on, and I'm going to put glue on these 2 tabs and then just attach the front. And I'm going to line this edge up over here. Make sure it's down towards the bottom, lined up at the bottom. And there you go. We're all done. And this is the Fall Pumpkin Boxcard. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.